Welcome back to Machine Power 4K. Nice to see you again. Thank you for watching. The rubber only melts in a moment. Making roast beef with this machine must be delicious. Just kidding. It doesn't look like very hygienic. With her quick hands, the rhythm of her weight and her bright smile, she looks so cute and makes me feel attractive. Interesting to see how the show is manufactured, isn't it? Very familiar to everyone. This is an impressive and effective spray painting line for water pumps. This tool is familiar, but surely this is the first time we have seen it. Are they counting lotus seeds? I'm not sure about this. If you know, can you comment below? This is the first time I have seen this machine. It is so creative and convenient. Farmers will find it much easier when they have this machine to work on their farm. Hey guys, what do you think about this machine? This line has different stages: bending, wending, grinding. Mechanical engineering is a wonderful profession that makes people have many handy and useful tools. Do you know what they are producing after making the roll-plate electronic punch in iron plates? Let's listen to the introduction of this cutter. It can cut many different angles, sweet and sharp bites, not causing womping. We finally have a solution for rub tubes. They are straightening in an instant without having to clean. Moreover, they are usable, so impressive. One of the stages of making small and thin metal procession. When we watch this stage, is it satisfying your curiosity? These cakes look so delicious and eye-catching. The decoration is also very impressive. Green is made on the log. Do you know what kind of log it is? How can they make green here?